An important part of any artist range is brilliance of colour. It's a facet that our artists look for to bring out the actual brightness in their paintings. Winsor Newton have actually researched hundreds or maybe thousands of different pigments to try and maximise the amount of brilliance that we get from the pigments that we use, and bring that through to actually show through in the colours that we manufacture. Our pigments are milled, which is a dispersing process, into an acrylic binder. The milling process is very thorough to develop the colour as much as possible to get the maximum amount of transparency from the colour and also the maximum amount of strength. Okay, what I'm going to demonstrate here is how we've actually managed to maximise the amount of colour strength and brilliance within our pigment over our current range and against the competition. So what we've got going from left to right, we've got the competitor's product, which is an alizarin crimson, our current Finity, and our new improved range. So I'm actually going to wet this on a bit of watercolour paper and just wash the colours down to show the amount of pigment strength and the brightness. So this is our competitor's product. This is our current Finity, which, as you can see, is that much brighter than the competitors and quite a bit cleaner as well. And this is our new Artists Acrylic, which, as you can see, is a lot brighter and has got a lot more colour strength. The choice of binder is also important, because either the opacity or translucency of the binder actually has a strong effect on both the wet colour and the dry colour. We've actually chosen a very translucent acrylic binder in the wet state that also dries to a very clear water white finish medium, so that you get the maximum amount of benefit from the pigments that are incorporated into the acrylic system. So you've seen our own testing of our Artists Acrylic range. Now please have a look on the website to see what other professional artists have made of our improved brilliance of colour.